Hello, here I am in week 2 of the Moodle for Teachers. I will start by connecting to the teacher practice area so that I can have editing rights. Then I need to turn editing on. I click on one of the topics, can be 1 or 2. Let's say 2. 2 is already there. Zahra is there. I don't think I can take this. So, topic 1. Okay, no one booked this topic. So I go to edit. Edit setting. So this is the title of the quiz. And here I should write a description, but it's okay. So I move on. I click this display description on course page. Then I can think about the timing, the grade, the layout of the quiz. And finally, I go to save and display.